Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a table of contents in Word. We have a Word document about the history of Windows operating systems, and we need to add a table of contents at the beginning. Step 1. Update the document structure. To create a nice table of contents, it's best to have a well-structured document. Check the Word file to see if it's using elements, like titles and headings. For the title, go to the Home tab in Word, then choose Title. Format the font as you wish. For chapters, it's best to use headings. Go to the Home tab, then choose the heading style you want to use. If you don't like the font, you can update it. Make sure the file follows the headings properly. Step 2. Insert the table of contents. Go to the References tab in Word. Once there, click on Table of Contents. A drop-down will appear with a few layout options. Pick one. That's it. You've successfully inserted a table of contents in your Word document. Step 3. Update page numbers. A problem that can occur is that the page numbers in the document don't match the numbers in the table of contents. To fix this issue, click on the Table of Contents. Then go to the top of it and click on Update Table. A menu will appear. Check the option called Update Page Numbers Only, then click OK. That's it. The page number issue is now fixed in your table of contents. Step 4. Update the entire table. We've seen how to insert a table of contents, but now let me show you how to update it if the data in the document changes. To do this, select the Table of Contents, then go to the top menu and click on Update Table. Choose Update Entire Table, then click OK. Your table of contents is now updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.